सो डियर पेंशनर्स, तो अभी एक ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर कॉन्फेडरेशन का जो सर्कुलर है, जो कि मीटिंग अभी आईबी की रेसिडुअल हुई थी, उसके रिगार्डिंग उन्होंने 24 को लॉन्च करा है। तो डिस्कशन ऑन रेसिडुअल इश्यूज विद आईबीए, जो उसका जो सब्जेक्ट है, वी रिप्रोड्यूस्ड हेयर द टेक्स्ट ऑन द सर्कुलर इशूड बाय द 4 ऑफिसर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, जो कि ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर कॉन्फेडरेशन है, ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर एसोसिएशन, इंडियन नेशनल बैंक ऑफिसर कांग्रेस एंड नेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ बैंक ऑफिसर्स। फर्स्ट जो मेजर पॉइंट रहा उनका डिस्कशन का, वो आपको पता ही है, 5 डे वर्क वीक का इशू चल रहा है, काफ़ी लंबे समय से चल रहा है ये। ऑन 1 जुलाई 2022 during the meeting with IBA, we had made it abundantly clear that 5 day work has to be introduced without further delay. The introduction of 5 day work week was the need of the hour, as it was an investment in the future, as we have to nurture and perfect the most important assets, जो कि हमारे human assets हैं. So who are the future of the bank? So our members are foiling hard at the branches and offices 10 to 12 hour day and working under extreme duress and constraints. So we हमें एक healthy and focused regiment of officer चाहिए who are driving the growth and development of the institutions. So IBA had on the day indicated that the modalities need to be worked out. So modalities के ऊपर में काम करना पड़ेगा. How to compensate the working hours of the remaining Saturdays to benefit the customers and also to put the appropriate authority for consideration. तो ये इसका मेजर पॉइंट रहा. So we today again reiterated that we are open to any incremental change in business hour in order to fix the much awaited 5 day work week, as our officers fraternity is customized to put in extended hours of work every day to fulfill the God's goals and objectives of the bank. उसके बाद उन्होंने जो मेजर पॉइंट रखा तो रखा भी हाउ एवर हैव डिमांडेड दैट द कैश जो ट्रांजैक्शन आवर्स हैं उन्हें कम करना चाहिए, बिकॉज जो डिपेंडेंस है ऑन द एडीसी एंड आल्सो टू प्रोवाइड एम्पल टाइम फॉर कंप्लायंस रिलेटेड वर्क. सो डिस्कशन एंडेड ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट एंड हम कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट है द लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग डिमांड है जो ऑफिसर फ्रैटर्निटी की, दैट इज ऑफ अ 5 डे वुड मच फ्रक्टिफाई इन द नियर फ्यूचर. नेक्स्ट जो रही वो रही डबल जेपर्डी. We while we instated for a reiteration of the earlier communication issued by IBA in the matter of granting the stagnation increment. So उसमें PQP etc. to an officer, we had not participated in the promotional exercises. जिन्होंने participate नहीं करा promotional exercises में, so IBA ने suggest करा है जो individual banks may refer the case facilitating the IBA to provide the guidance. पेंशन ऑपरेशन जो बहुत ही मुद्दा बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो IBA expressed that they are open to examine the payment of ex gratia to pre 1986 retirees, as the same is outside the purview of pension regulation 1995. So IBA ने indicate करा that there is need for harmonization of DA prior to 2002 and couple of options needed to be examined on the basis of जो डाटा कलेक्ट करेंगे जहाँ provided by banks. However, we have reiterated that the valuation of cost for operation should be carried out as that of the one done in 2010 to assess the position of funds, as our goals was जो उसका गोल था वो अपडेशन ऑफ पेंशन था. So simultaneously we demanded that all banks should have the health of pension funds examined and make provisions where necessary to ensure that the funds were sustainable in the long run. नेक्स्ट जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट डिस्कस करा है वो स्टैग्नेशन इंक्रीमेंट है ड्यू टू रीफेजिंग ऑफ द पीरियोडिसिटी. काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है ये भी. तो we emphatically insisted that on account of reduction of periodicity of stagnation increment from 3 to 2 years, if the same falls in 1st November 2017 to 31st October 2020 before rephasing, जो एरियर है, the area to be paid for from the date on which it falls due and not from 1st November 2020. So IBA should issue a advisory. तो IBA को एक advisory issue करनी चाहिए to member banks immediately with illustration as allocation was made available in the Wage Pact. जो next point है वो medical aid for the year 2017. So while IBA was reiterating their position based on the circular issued in 2015 that the medical aid was on the pro rata basis, So we clearly present that the amount allocated was rupees 64 crore in our allocation and the difference है जो उसका पेड करना चाहिए in full. So IBA assured to revisit the same afresh. Next to important point है वो है उनका LFC. IBA opinion that as the issue has been raised subsequent to the 8th joint note and it was not part of COD, so it would not be considered. So we made it abundantly clear that the note on LFC will, with the specific reference to monetization enhancement of class of travel as well as spouse, if working in the same bank is eligible to avail separate LFC. तो अगर same बैंक में वो काम कर रहे हैं, if working in same bank is eligible to avail LFC are pending with IBA as they showed in the past to discuss the same. So it was made clear. तो ये भी clear कर दिया to IBA that common items like leave are agreed with workmen's union would be automatically extended to us. ठीक है, ये भी extend हो जाएगा. To begin with, female officers should be allowed to have a separate LFC in this regard and advisory जो IBA से is a must as many female officers had missed the benefit of LFC because of the absence of these instructions from IBA. तो अभी उनको LFC नहीं मिला. Next आपको पता है PLI profit linked. So we had insisted if any officer retiree join separates during the financial year, he or she should be paid PLI in full. So IBA has indicated that they will revisit and banks will be advised accordingly. So banks को advise accordingly हम कर देंगे. Mandatory leave policy है next तो. So we pointed out that the Canara Bank पहला बैंक बना to implement the advisory of IBA to treat the 10-day mandatory leave as a special leave outside the quota of leave of officer. So हमने डिमांड करा है IBA should ensure that the same is implemented. वो सारे बैंक्स भी इस चीज को इम्प्लीमेंट करें. So reimbursement of expenses on road travel. So IBA has informed that the matter is under active consideration, including the transportation of goods by lorry carrier while delinking from bag and load concept. So the increase is expected to be, वो भी significant increase हम expect कर रहे हैं. Next है tax on NPS deducted over and above 10%. On our presentation of the viewpoint from central government and state government employees are provided, उनको exemption मिलती है जो additional 4% है उसके ऊपर टैक्स की. तो IBA ने एग्री करा है भी ये मैटर भी हम वेवर भी आपको देंगे. Next है grid holiday. IBA has informed that the present arrangement of compensation is extended by banks is working well. So from our side we insisted that the statement should not be generalized as many officers deserve a compensatory off and the difference in number of days of leave between the normal officer working in the branch and grid should be वो उन्हें credit कर देना चाहिए to the officer leave account in addition to the PL profit and loss. Convenience allowance दे देना चाहिए to PC alloys. All central government is recently revised the transfer allowance. So IBA has indicated the to examine the same. तो ये था सर्कुलर जो भी ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर कन्फेडरेशन का रहा. तो गाइस प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल एंड शेयर दिस. थैंक यू.